happen to be next to the airport. Guess we're starting with the sneakers. These are some Sean Witherspoon Adidas right here. Equipment Sport 9s, okay. Price on these, there's no price tag. $35 for those bad boys. Those worth it? Some budget trays, Tray Unlimited. These are size 10, go for 37s. Another one of these bad boys. Of course, always got Hokas. Which Hokas are these? The Gaviota 4s go for 90. Some Pure Boost. Pure Boost go for 45. These are pretty comfy. Got some Under Armours right here, marked down to 35. Got some North Face. Hype Nums? Is that what these are called? I have no clue. Going for 60 it looks like. BMW. Pumas right here. These are the cat trips going for 37. These are an 11.5. Got some Snoops right here. Snoop Dogg. Skechers going for $35. These are size 12. These worth copping. Under Armour Bryce Harper gloves right here. This is for youth though. $35 down to $13. Wilson baseball gloves. This looks like some synthetic leather. Oh no, there's synthetic leather in the back, I guess. Genuine leather in the front. $15. Seems like a pretty good deal. Simpsons shirt right here. All the old people, all us old people. We know what's up with that. That's what's up. $8. That is a size medium. That was cool seeing a Duffman shirt, right? Duffman. What the hell is this? Fila, a basketball jersey, I guess. Okay. Got Club America jersey right here. $40. Soccer jersey going for $40. It is a Nike. It does look like an authentic. Normally $95. Another Project Rock shirt. It's like turquoise or something. Going for $13. Got those in a large. Also got them in a medium. And then got those in a large. Also in a small. And then moving up to the women's section, more Project Rock Under Armour right here. $40. These normally retail for like $160, so that's a hell of a deal. Hell of a deal. This one is a size 9. Okay. They got another one here in the 9.5 section. Yep, 9.5. Got some other Under Armours here in the size 10. These are 7.5 though. $50 for the Machinas right here. NMDs, these are size 8s right here. Interesting color. These are going for $60. That seems like a pretty decent deal. Softball cleats down to 18. Right next door do have a TJMaxx. That's interesting. TJMaxx near me don't even have a men's section. I have been hearing that y'all been finding some stuff right here. I already see Lakers gear. Mitchell and that's Lakers hoodie. What the hell? There's a little printout for that one, but what? Yeah, they don't have the printout thing, but $30. These normally go for $100. This is a double XL. They're all big as hell, but that is fire right there. Oh hell yeah. And of course I checked the medium section. No, nothing there. SC47 brand down to $8. But then they have like t-shirts and stuff. Nike t-shirts down to 20. 30 down to 20. Really? For just a weak ass regular Nike t-shirt? Really? And the XL right here, do got the Antigua jackets right here, fleece jackets. It is Laker apparel. Yeah, like I said, I've seen this brand on the Fanatics website go for $30. Lakers jacket for $30. That is not bad. Decent material too. Saw these at Marshall's as well. More of the jackets against the wall, the SC t-shirts, and then look at this. Dude, got these. These are hella huge. 4XL. So quadruple XL. They got a triple XL back here. And yeah, these are going for $30. Got more of these double XL. Did find another jersey, a Shaq jersey. And this is a size large. Shaquille O'Neal jersey. $70. I have been hearing this from you guys. Prices have gone up, dude. Prices have gone up, yo. This is such a dope find, but 70 bucks? 70 bucks, man. Y'all asking for a little too much, man. This hoodie right here is dope. This is a large. And this is Team Apparel brand, NHL brand, going for $13. That's hella cheap. I don't think this place has any sneakers, but apparel definitely getting better. Definitely getting better, yo. Got some New Balance running pants. These are thin as hell. That's the running pants are. A lot of times $17 for New Balance running pants. Got a couple different colors, couple different sizes. $17, not bad. And then got boxers right here. Got South Park boxers. These go for $6. $6. That is an XL. Been seeing these, what they call it, plush throws. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Super, super soft. $17. This is NBA brand, I guess. They got a couple of them here. Not bad, not bad. Been seeing these at Marshall's and TJMaxx. Not bad. All right, out in Inglewood. Yeah, they're closed. Yeah, we starting hella early. This spot I think opens at 9. Let's go. I meant they opened at 9 because obviously they're already open. $15 for this Under Armour hoodie. It's a hoodie with short sleeves, kind of weird, but premium material on it. Premium material, 15 bucks. Damn, Ross learning from Shoe Palace. It's like Club Ross, man. I haven't heard the music this loud at any Ross. More Club America jerseys. I don't see a price tag on this mother lover though, do I? Nah. Yeah, they got these bootleg looking jerseys. These as well. Then these Fila jerseys. We've been seeing Fila stuff lately. But yeah, we ain't messing with none of that. Then moving on to sneakers. Seeing more of these. Curry 7s right here. Size 6, $55. So I've been seeing a ton of Under Armour lately. Got some, what are these? Sonic. The Sonic right here going for $45. More Under Armours. I don't even know what these are. 40 for these. Got some Vans. Some really chunky Vans going for 40. Trey Youngs, of course, and these come extra dirty. Marked down to 26. More of these Snoop things right here. Is anybody getting these for $35? They cheap. They cheap. Softball cleats. These are women's down to 18. More of these. These are kind of cool. The Project Rock 55 for these. These are a 9.5. Great for training. Got some Forum mids right here. I don't know what these are 12.5. Oh, there it is. 45 for these. Is this one last stop for the day? I don't know. But right across the street. Starting with the apparel, because the apparel at Marshall's has been way better. Way better than a lot of the Ross and stuff like that. Dude, got spring training t-shirts. If you're a San Francisco fan, $17 for those, and those are Nikes. Not bad. Nike swimming shirts. I'm so tired of seeing these. See these everywhere. They're normally $46, which is kind of high. It's down to $18. Fanatics. Dodger shirt right here. I don't think most of y'all want this. National League West champs. Division championships. Dude, we don't celebrate division championships. $6 though. $6. Booty shirt right here. Going for $15. These are Nikes and these are double XLs. Bigger sizes. XL right here. Bruins Nike shirt, $13. And then in the hoodies, seem to see some stuff. Got U brand right here. Kind of team apparel type of stuff. $20 for those. Got more budget brands right here. Another U brand hoodie, Lakers hoodie, going for $20. Then more of these, the Antigua brand right here. This is a Dodgers, just genuine merch. These go for $35. Lakers one also going for $35, but got a few Dodgers one as well. Okay. These are all larges. Also got them in XL, double XL, so got quite a few sizes. And then men's section for shoes. This is it right here. all that, and then one tiny little spot right here with the. And that's definitely why I haven't hit that many Rasa. Do you got some Infinity Round Flyknit 3s? Do we got any deals? So any deals? $60. That ain't bad. That's not bad. And that's it? Is that really the only thing we're showing you guys? Oh, we got some 550s right here. $60 for all white 550s. And then Zigmatas right here. That's it? Really? Holy cow, man. And then, of course, I do try with the women's section. There's some bootleg looking Pumas right there. And that's it, yo. Wow. All right, not much at this spot. This is Ladera Heights. Is that where they consider this? I thought this was Inglewood. Next stop in Santa Clarita. Kind of interesting find right here. This looks like a kid's large Northwestern jersey. $6. There's Under Armour too. And of course more of the Pro Standard shirts, XXL, all the Antigua fleece jackets. Plenty of those. Lakers, Dodgers. Shoe section at Marshall's just been awful. Got those Air Maxes, that's it. I already showed you guys those Air Maxes earlier. I'm looking for some Crocs for those same kids that I've been looking for. Got these Crocs right here. These ain't bad. What these going for? $25? Thinking about it. Damn, they charging $25 for Crocs though, huh? Dang, dude. I'm gonna go check Ross, dude. These are $30? $30 for Crocs now? Pink ones right here as well. And then do got a Ross right next door as well. Of course, we're gonna check out the sneakers. Been seeing a lot of the Under Armour, man, especially these Project Rock. These are pretty dope, dude. These are pretty dope. These are 7.5. Men's right here, $45. Reebok Solutions right here, going for $35. They got some Crocs right here. Not digging that colorway though. It is flame colors. $25 here too now. Damn, weren't they like 15 or 17? I don't know. Am I dumb? $35 for these. And dude got questions right here. That is pretty dope. The Panini colorway size 9, $40 freaking dollars. That's the first time I've seen those. Of course, jade colorway of the Mellow 2s. Then more of those. And more of these. I feel like we've seen these plenty of times. 25s. I guess they always have been 25. My bad. And some NMDs. These are like the the V3s. Those are like the R1s, V3s. I don't know. But yeah, $60 for those. And some hella bright Pumas right here. Puma suede's going for $35. I think that's about it, man. Should I just stick with the Superstar or should I give that other kit? In the women's section, why do I always find these in the women's? These are Under Armours. These are Notre Dame Under Armours, and they're not women's, but I don't know. These are the Hover Sonics, I believe. But yeah, $35 for these. These are size 11. No Crocs, not really much. Look at this though. This is interesting. Reebok makes dog leashes? What the hell? Yeah, I didn't see that coming. Definitely did not see that coming. $5 though, that's a hell of a deal. Finished up at the go-kart spot. And then dropping off some grade school Kobe's. These are size 7? Size 7, dropping these off to a friend. Yeah, because, we got to help people out, right? Got to help people out. All right, we out. So trying some gogi tacos. This is in West LA, right? West LA. And look who I am right here. Look at this. What do you think? Yo. What do you think, Frank?
Yo, this spot is the bomb. So if you ever in West LA, have Cool drive you down, I don't know, whatever street this is, for 30 minutes is well worth the ride, yo.
So 2 thumbs up for balling on a budget.
Now you gotta give 10 thumbs up, bro. You got 10.
Okay.
Use your toes, use your friend toes, use your wife toes, use your girlfriend toes. This spot deserves a visit. Okay, he's a fan, and I was telling him it's affordable.
Yeah, and I was telling them that this is pretty much what started the gourmet food truck genre. They were the first one. So yeah, we got balling on a budget. He's gonna be showing up on a few videos. So yeah, stay tuned.